Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Krisp AI. So if you are ready to wrap up your noise cancellation calls, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser you like because the process is pretty straightforward. So I'm using Safari for now. Now in the address bar, type Krisp AI, which will direct you to the official page of Krisp. Now go to the sign in option at top right corner of your screen and click on it. Now you can sign in to your Google account or your Microsoft account, or you can also use the email that you have registered while signing up for Krisp. Now click on sign in. So now the verification code has been sent to your mailbox. You can go there and check for the code sent by Krisp. Copy the code and paste it in. So now you have successfully logged in. So now to log out, look for the profile icon at bottom left corner of your screen and click on it. A drop down menu will appear where you can see the option sign out. Click on it, and that's how you sign out of Krisp AI. And that's a wrap. Logging out of Krisp AI from your browser is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insight, and ring the bell to stay updated. If you have any question or if there is a specific tutorial you'd like to see, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.